Today is the day. Today is the day. What's today? We're going to harvest glass gem corn. We've been looking forward to this all summer long. Let's get into it now. Hey guys, what is going on? It is Jeremy with Colorado Home Gardener. Well, today is the day we are going to harvest our glass gem corn. Now, normally it takes about 110 to 120 days to grow these. Give you a heads up, we're doing it a wee bit early. Reason being, we actually have snow, believe it or not, that is forecasted. It is early September. We already have snow in the forecast for next week. So we did do one test one, and it looks like these things are really good to go. So we're going to go ahead and get to it. We are super excited. Okay, here we go. What you're going to want to do is you push down on it and just gently twist it. A little bit of bugs on there, a little bit of dirt, but that is to be expected. Let's open this guy up. Let's see what we got. It's almost like opening a Christmas present. Here we go, and
ooh.
Wow.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
So this one we got a little bit of blue, mainly purple.
The chickens will eat that.
They will eat that, you're absolutely right. Dual purpose, so
ooh.
We got a good one here. Now, give you guys a heads up, this is also going to dry into numerous colors too. It's not just going to stay this particular color. Those colors, as they dry, are going to start to get a little bit more vibrant. Okay, so one of the weirdest ones I've ever seen is here we have triplets. Comment below if you have ever seen anything like this, because I definitely have not. This cracks me up. That's definitely a keeper for years to come. That is pretty. So what did I think about the glass gem corn this year? Guys, total and utter super success. I'm going to double my crops for this next year. I'm going to double seed what I did this year next year. Does that make sense? Yes. We were super excited about this. I'm so glad this one worked out. We loved doing this crop, and I cannot wait next year to get this going. If you have any questions about growing, give me a comment in the comment section below. Like and subscribe to our channel, guys. We got more stuff coming up very soon. Until next time, God bless. We love you.